So I don't know if you've seen these LEDs before. I believe they're a G4 package, and they're about 1 inch long. They have two leads on them, and I think they may come in different voltages, but this is a 12-volt version, 12-volt DC. And the cool thing is they have diodes inside that are auto-reversing, right? So you can plug it in either way, and it doesn't matter which way you plug it in, it's always going to work. Their construction is two PC boards in an X. They kind of fit in one another. And so those PC boards contain the diodes. They contain resistors for dropping down the current. There's no power supply on them. I think I've seen some versions that have what looks like an inductor and a power supply circuit in them to do constant current. But the one that I have just has load resistors. It's encapsulated in some type of clear silicone, and it's soft to the touch. It's interesting, but quite clear. So let's turn on this thing. Since I have a dimmer, let's try it out. And so there's 12 volts going into the dimmer, and then the G4 bulb is connected to the output. And this is a pulse modulated signal. And so you can see if I turn the potentiometer, the brightness goes up and down. And let me turn out the room lights and adjust things so we can see that a little bit better. Has a pretty good range of brightness. So if you go into eBay and you search for G4 LED, you'll actually see different versions of these. I think the pinout is constant when you say G4, like the pin spacing. But there can be different number of LEDs. The shapes of the LEDs are different. The shape of the bulb is different. Some are different sizes. Some are shorter. Some are longer. Some are different constructions. So there's all different sorts of types. But I like these. They look kind of high tech. They look kind of cool.